see here. This is the 8 parts. It is a good place shade because I explain a lot of things here. After we can check other places. But then lot of there. And this is the Atta Perikara. Atta means the 8. Okay, Perikara is offering bar, offering item. Inside having 8 pieces. It's an eating bowl for the Buddhist monk. Okay, upside down it, same that one. Okay, eating bowl. Inside having the panty, lungi, vest, and the orange color robes, and the shaving razor, and the needle. We offer this one to the Buddha. After collecting this one evening, after these all items into the poor village temple. Those poor village Buddhist monk can be wear new dress for them. And we are offering the flowers to Buddha. You can see this is our national flower of Sri Lanka, the blue lily.
Blue.
The blue lily is the national flower of Sri Lanka. We have the lotus flower, blue lotus, white lotus, and the red lotus. We offer to the Buddha all things, the flowers, and we say recite the Pali stanza. In front of the Buddha, we say the Pali stanza, similar. Pujena buddham kusumena nena punyena me tena na babi mukkam uppam vilayati kataya dhamme kayo kataya tina sabhavam. That's a Pali stanza. The Lord Buddha is speaking Magari language. The two separated are divided, Sanskrit and the Pali.
Pali.
The Pali. The Pali is that's a stanza meaning, dear Buddha, I offer this various color of the flowers to you. I offer these various different shapes of the flowers. I offer different fragrance, the Buddhist smell flowers to you. Because why? You taught us what are the things of the life. And I recall to my mind, what did you teach us? I offer these flowers. After few minutes away, these old flowers fade away, like this one, going by, fade away, die. It is similar to our life. Life is not a permanent, life is impermanent.
Yes.
Because I offer this flower, what did you teach? I remember you. Thanks. That's a Pali stanza. You offer to.
Okay.
Okay.